If you're still reading through 50 comments in an Excel workbook, you're doing it the hard way. Here's a better way using Claude, Vena, Excel, and PowerPoint. I started in Excel with a financial statements report connected to my Vena data. Across the business, teams have added comments to explain what's happening, but there's a lot to go through. Instead of reading everything manually, I open Claude and ask it to summarize the comments, provide an overall sentiment, and highlight anything that's important. It identifies the outlook as moderately cautious but growth-driven, and it pulls out key points like new bike product launch in New York, vendor consolidation in Germany, conflicting cost changes, and a few things that need attention. So now I understand what's happening without having to read every comment. Next, I move into PowerPoint. I open my annual town hall deck from Vena, which is already connected through Vena for PowerPoint. That means all my numbers, charts, and KPIs are automatically refreshed and ready to go. Now I bring Claude into the process again. From Excel, I ask it to take that summary and put it into my PowerPoint deck. Claude connects across the two applications, jumps into PowerPoint, and starts adding new slides in the same format and style as the existing deck. When it's done, I've got a set of slides that summarizes the key issues and insights from my report, ready to present to leadership. What would normally take a significant amount of time, reading comments, summarizing insights, and building slides, is now done in a fraction of the time. Claude is incredibly powerful for generating narrative and summaries. Vena is what makes it all work together, connecting your Excel data, your PowerPoint reporting, and your broader finance processes into one system. That's how you go from raw data and scattered commentary to a clear, decision-ready story. Want to see how this could work for your team? Visit venasolutions.com/VenaAI.